Good morning, I'm at the Munich U-Bahn, and one of the things I wanted to see is the A-Klasse, the old A-Klasse trains. Well, that's already found. So in this train you can still open the window, I think. Yes, it can.
Durchfahrt, Wasserstraße.
Those trains are very old, but it surprised me how quiet they are. I don't know what it is, but this is already the second U6 train that ends here, and there's still no U3 train. And I arrived at Odeonsplatz, where an elevator concealed within a pillar lifts you straight from a classical garden to the platform below. Well, that's what I call efficient. Let's go on the U4. Correction, U5. They do share the platform here, so I have to wait 7 minutes until my train. Here I'm going to change to an S-Bahn that runs through the city in a tunnel, a bit like the Leipzig or Hamburg one. And you know what I said in Hamburg? But you might say, this isn't a metro. Yes, it isn't a metro, but it has a service like a metro, so I like to ride on this as well. The same applies here. Alright, it's not running because there are Bauarbeiten. So I'm going back on the U5 to Innsbrucker Platz. As you can see, and may probably have found out already, there are a lot of cross-platform transfers here available, which is quite nice. And again, I missed the train. And welcome to Theresienwiese. Theresienwiese has a yellow roof with those black things. I don't know, I like it. And I'm back at Odeonsplatz. Now I'm going to Marienplatz. And I arrived at Marienplatz. Thank you for watching. I'm going to drive home to the Netherlands and I'll see you there. Bye!